This is the learning management solution which I am going to show you. So this is the front end. So here you can check the course category and subcategory. We already had subcategory for a demo purpose. If you click on all courses, so all courses data will open. In the left side you can check category, price, label, language and rating. So these are some filters. We have two options to check courses. One is list view, second is grid view. Okay, just second is opening. See, so we have two types of viewing option. Here you can sort as well if you want to sort. If I click or open any courses, then I can find out the data of the course. Here you can check course name, course reviews, rating. After that we have a two student enroll here. Here you can check in which language is course created. Here you can check your course overview. If you want to add it to wish list, then you can add. You can add to cart or you can buy directly. Here we have option to show you the what we are providing, like include this much time of demand videos we have, how much lessons we have, access on mobile and TV as well, full lifetime access we have. Here you can check curriculum, what is lesson. Here you can check teacher login. No teacher login. Here you can check teacher, which teacher had added that course here. Here you can check student feedback and reviews. Okay, if you want to check overview, so you can easily check overview.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज दिगराज सिंह राज। तो टोटल इनकम और टोटल पॉपुलेशन इस तरह से।
So here you can check overview. If you want to check the course, then you can easily check the course. But after buy, you can do it. I already log in as admin. That's why it's no opening from me. Okay, so after, if you want to search any course, then you can search as well. User can easily sign up or sign in. I already log in as admin, that's why it's not going on that page. Let me show you other things as well. So here you can search your courses. Here you can check your category, top courses data, you can check it here, top 10 latest courses data you can check, feature instructor data you can check here, or here you can send you can update your about us, privacy policy, or you can manage these things. Let me show you admin panel as well. So this is the admin panel. So here you can check admin dashboard. So in the admin dashboard you can check admin revenue this year, number course, how much numbers of lessons we have, how much enrollment we have, how much number of students we have. You can check it here. Here we can check course overview, requested withdrawal data. After that we have a courses, so here we can manage courses. Just seconds. So here you can find out the course data. If you want to filterize, then you can filter as well. Here you can check active course, pending, free course or paid course, how much we have. If you want to add new course, then you can click here and then you can easily create multiple courses. Here you can check title, category, lesson and section, how much student has enrolled, status and price. If you click on three dot, then you can view course on front end. Here you can check course playing page, edit course, section and lesson, mark it pending and delete. For adding course, you just need to add first course, like some basic details you want to add once. Then other informations, pricing, media, you can set up your course overview. Here SEO and then finish. So whenever you complete to adding the course, then you can, if you click on a title, then you can find out that curriculum option. So here you can add multiple section, lesson, quizzes and section. Okay, if you want to add it, delete, then you can do it. If you want to add the section, if you want to delete, if you want to in a curriculum add multiple section, and in a section you want to add lesson, then you can add. Here you can add YouTube video, Vimeo video, or these things we already integrated. So here you can set up a video URL, Google Drive, document file, text and other. So here you can manage courses as well. If you want to set up your course category, then you can set up multiple category here. Here you can check coupon data. So here you can check coupons. If you want to add any coupon, then you can add multiple coupon as well. After that we have an enrollment. So here you can check course enrollment. So if you want to allow any user to use any course, then you can give them. Enroll history, you can check it here. After that we have a report. So here you can manage admin revenue reports. So here you can check enroll course, total amount, revenue, enrollment date, instructor revenue, you can check it here. After the purchase history, so here you can manage or check purchase history. After that we have a user. So here you can manage your admins. So if you want to add any other admin, then you can create multiple admin login. After that we have an instructor. So how much instructor you already added, that data will come here. That data you can check it here. If you want to check that particular instructor's course, then you can check by clicking here. So how much course they had added, like that. Okay, if you want to edit, if you want to delete, or if you want to add any, then you can add. After that, here you can check instructor payout, instructor settings we have. So you can allow or disallow the option allow public instructor. So user can easily register as an instructor as well. Or if you disable it, then nobody can register as an instructor. Here you can set up instructor commissions. If you enable it, that option, so if any request is there, then that request will come here. Here you can check application details. So here you can approve or delete that. After that we have a students. So here we can manage students. Student data we have. Okay, we can edit, delete, we can add multiple students. If you want to add, after that we have a messages, blocks we have. So these are block data which we already created. So if you want to add any block, then you can create multiple blocks. Here you can make one block category. We have a block setting, so here you can set up some settings. After that we have a settings, like in add-ons or themes, developer can change or developer can update all the things. After that we have a setting option. So here you can set up other things. So here you can set up email, YouTube API, Vimeo, so we already integrated, so you can use it. Or student email verification, we can enable or disable. Course, selling tags, Google Analytics, we can set up these things. After that we have a website setting. Website setting, please you can update here. In a cookie policy, you can set up your cookie policy, about us, terms and conditions, you can manage all the things here. After that we have a drip content, payment settings we have. So these payment gateways we already using, like PayPal, Stripe and ADP. So which one you want to use, you just need to add key, then it will be work. Multi-language, so we already using multiple languages, so you can set up multiple languages. For a verification or for send email, we are using SMTP. After that we have a social login as well. So if you want to log in with the Facebook, then you just need to add key, then user can easily log in with Facebook as well. Okay, so here you can set up your managed profiles and other things. So if you have any doubts, then let me know. We already show you admin data. Okay, let me show you employee login as well. So for that, go in a user, login email, password. So this is the instructor login. So here you can check my courses. This is the user view. So user can easily manage my courses, wish list, messages, purchase history and etc. If you click on an instructor, then this is the instructor panel. So here you can manage dashboard, instructor course manager, so they can manage or they can add. Here you can check sales report, payout settings, messaging, etc. Let me show you payout settings as well. So here you can add your type or display key for payment method using. After that, here you can check payout report. Here you can set up multiple requests for withdrawal and ECC. We already show you all the things here. If you have any doubts or query, then let me know. I will try to solve it.